Good morning, student. Now welcome back to our English class, and I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Kwan. Nice to see you again, student. All right, now, are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Well done. All right, before we get started with our wonderful story, we are going to sing and dance together. Do you love to sing and dance with me?
Yes.
Now let's stand up, stand up. We are going to sing and dance together. And let's begin with our first song. This song is called Hello, Hello. Don't forget to set up like this, students. And then let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
2, 3.
Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you
Then
say
you will say
hello?
hello. Good job. Do it again.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch
Then
up
spread out
high?
high.
Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can
Then
you
you
say
will say
hello?
hello. One more time.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. And then don't forget to say hello. Excellent. Alright, now let's move to the next song. And this song is called Stop Cat. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes.
Alright, now let's sing along and dance together.
The cat is so naughty. Oh no! He ran into the living room. Oh no, stop! He ran into the bathroom. Oh no, stop! He ran into the kitchen. Oh no, stop! He ran into the garden. Oh no, stop! How naughty my cat is! Oh no, stop! He ran into the living room. Stop, cat, stop. He ran into the bathroom. Stop, cat, stop. He ran into the kitchen. Stop, cat, stop. He ran into the garden. Stop, cat, stop. Oh no, stop, cat, stop. Oh no.
Alright, enough of this song. Good on you, student. You are good dancers. Alright, now we move to the next song. And this song is our entry song. Don't forget to sing and dance together.
English, English, ABC. It's time to play. Let's go, 1, 2, 3. Let's play with English. Brown English. Hello kids, sing and dance. It's time to start with kids, kids, brown English.
And welcome back to Blau English class.
Thank you, birds.
And today we are still with our wonderful story of
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. So, student, before we get started, now let's answer the question. Teacher have some questions to ask all of you. So, let's begin with the first question. This question is, listen carefully. Students, how are you? How are you? How are you today? How do you feel? Tick tock, can you answer this question? How are you today? Today, are you sad? Are you sad?
No.
Oh, if you say no. If you are not sad, what about this one? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No, teacher.
If you are not sad and you are not sleepy. Or are you angry? Are you angry?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not angry too. So, how are you today? What about this one? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, if you say yes, this time you will say, repeat after me. I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Excellent. Now let's do it again one more time, student. Students, how are you today?
I am happy.
Excellent. Now let's move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Repeat this question after me.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Good job. And then can you answer this question? How's the weather?
It's windy.
Student, let's look at the window. Is this windy? Is this windy? It would be yes or no.
No.
Oh no, it's not windy. Let's find out another answer. And what about this one? Look.
It's cloudy.
And now look at the window again. Today, is this cloudy? Is this cloudy? It would be yes or no.
No again.
Oh no, again. Today is not cloudy. And what about this one?
It's sunny.
And look at the window, student. Today, is it sunny? Is it sunny? It would be yes or no.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Look at the window. Is it sunny?
Yes.
Alright, good job. Today it's sunny. This one is the correct one. Now let's repeat this sentence. Listen carefully.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
One more time and louder, please.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Excellent. Alright, student, we move to one more question that teacher want to know. And this question is, let's listen.
What day is it today?
And then repeat this question after me. What day is it today? Your turn.
What day is it today?
Well done. And then let's find out the correct answer. What day is it today, student? Guess what?
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday. Is this correct? Today is Monday. It would be yes or no.
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not Monday. This one is not correct. Let's find out another answer. What about this one?
Today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. Is this correct? Today is Wednesday. It would be yes or no.
No, teacher. Today is not Wednesday.
Good job. Today is not Wednesday. So what day is this today? What about this one?
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday. Is this correct? Today is Friday. It would be yes or no.
No.
Oh, no way. Today is not Friday. And what about this one, student?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Is this correct? It would be yes or no.
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good job. This one is the correct one. Now let's repeat this sentence after me.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Your turn.
Today is Saturday.
Well done. Alright, students. Today we are going to practice with our phonics with part of sound box. Can you remember how to pronounce the sound in the corrective way?
Yes.
Good on you. Alright, now let's move to part of phonics.
Fun. Sound box.
Look. Alright, today we are going to practice how to pronounce the sounds of each letters over there. Can you remember, student, what is the sound of letter Q?
Yes.
Oh, good on you. Alright, now let's practice more with letter Q. Don't forget to listen carefully.
Q. Q. Queen. Q. Quilt. Q. Question.
Alright, student, and what kind of this letter over there?
Q.
It's letter Q. Alright, and can you remember what is the sound of letter Q?
Q.
Good on you. Q. Now, let's practice more with the sound of letter Q. Listen carefully again. Repeat after me. Q. Your turn.
Q.
One more time, please. Q. Your turn.
Q.
Excellent. And now let's practice with our words over there. Let's begin with the first word, this picture. This word is, listen carefully.
Queen.
Repeat after me. Queen. Your turn.
Queen.
Well done. One more time and louder, please.
Queen.
Queen. Your turn.
Queen.
Good job. Alright, now let's move to the next word that has the beginning sound of letter Q. Look at this one. And this word is, don't forget to listen carefully.
Quilt.
Repeat after me. Quilt. Your turn.
Quilt.
That's it. This one is quilt. And now, student, we move to the next word that has the beginning sound of letter Q. And this word is, listen carefully again.
Question.
Let's repeat it. Question. Your turn.
Question.
Again, please.
Question.
Question. Your turn.
Question.
Excellent, student. Alright, now let's move to the next letter. Look at the yellow one. What kind of this letter over there?
R.
It's letter R. Good job. And can you remember what is the sound of letter R?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, now let's practice more with our letter R. Don't forget to listen carefully.
R. Radio. Rabbit. Robot.
Alright, student. And this one is letter R. And student, what is the sound of letter R?
R.
Good job. The sound of letter R is R. Now let's listen it again.
R, R,
Repeat after me. R. U-turn.
R.
Do it again one more time.
R, R,
R. U-turn.
R.
Well done. Alright, student. Now let's practice more with our words. Now, teacher have 3 words over there that have the beginning sound. That have the same beginning sound of letter R. Let's begin with our first word, this one, and listen carefully.
R, R, radio.
Repeat after me. Radio. U-turn.
Radio.
Excellent. Alright, now let's move to the next word. This one is have the same beginning sound of letter R too. This word is...
R, R, rabbit.
Repeat after me. Rabbit. U-turn.
Rabbit.
Good job, and move to the next one. Look at this one. This word is...
R, R, robot.
Repeat after me. Robot. U-turn.
Robot.
One more time, please.
R, R, robot.
Robot. U-turn.
Robot.
Excellent. Alright, now end up a part of letter R. Now let's move to the pink one. Student, what kind of this letter over there?
S.
It's letter S. Good job, and don't forget to listen carefully again. Now move to letter H.
S,
H.
S, strawberry. S, star. S, sun.
Alright, student, and this is letter H. And student, do you know what is the sound of letter H?
Yes.
Alright, good on you. Now let's listen it again, and then we are going to repeat it. Repeat after me. H. U-turn.
S.
Again, please. H. U-turn.
S.
Good job. Now let's practice more with our words that have the same beginning sound of letter H. Now teacher have 3 words over there. Let's begin with our first words, and this word is, listen carefully.
Strawberry.
Repeat after me. Strawberry. U-turn.
Strawberry.
One more time, please.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. U-turn.
Strawberry.
That's it. And then move to the next word. And this word is...
Star.
Star. U-turn.
Star.
Excellent. Alright, now we move to the last word of this part. And this word is...
Sun.
Repeat after me. Sun. U-turn.
Sun.
Well done. Alright, student. Now end up a part of letter H. And student, what is the sound of letter R?
R.
Good job. R. And can you remember what is the sound of letter Q?
Q.
Q. That's it. And student, what about letter S? What is the sound of letter S?
S.
This one is the correct one. Alright, good on you, student. Don't forget to practice how to pronounce the sound of each letter in the corrective way. Alright, now let's practice more. The next part we are going to practice with our song. Now let's move to phonic chant. Alright, and part of chant is our song. Don't forget to listen carefully. And then we are going to practice how to sing our song together. Now are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's move to chant.
Queen and question, queen and question, queen and question, two sounds, radio and rabbit, radio and rabbit, radio and rabbit, R sounds, strawberry and star, strawberry and star. Strawberry and star, S sounds.
Alright, student. Now let's practice more. Teacher have some questions to ask all of you again. Let's answer the question. Student, look at this letter, the blue one. What kind of this letter over there?
Q.
Letter Q. Good job. And what about the green one, student? What kind of this letter over there? The green one.
R.
Good job. This one is letter R. And what about the pink one, student? The pink one. What kind of this letter?
S.
Letter S. Excellent, student. Alright. And now let's repeat after me again. Q for queen. Your turn.
Q for queen.
Excellent. And move to the next sentence. Q for question. Your turn.
Q for question.
Excellent. Now let's move to the green one. Letter R and letter R. R for radio. Your turn.
R for radio.
Good job. And the next one. R for rabbit. Your turn.
R for rabbit.
Good job. And move to letter S. Letter S. Repeat after me. S for strawberry. Your turn.
S for strawberry.
Good job. And the next sentence. S for star. Your turn.
S for star.
Well done. And now let's practice with our chant song. We are going to practice section by section. Alright, let's listen carefully.
Queen and question.
Alright, let's sing after me. Queen and question. Your turn.
Queen and question.
Well done. One more time.
Queen and question.
Queen and question. Your turn.
Queen and question.
Again, please.
Queen and question.
Queen and question. Your turn.
Queen and question.
Good job. Move to the last section of letter Q. The sound of letter Q. Listen carefully.
Q sounds
Alright, repeat after me. Q sounds k. Your turn.
Q sounds k.
Excellent. Alright, now we move to letter R. And listen carefully again with letter R.
Radio and rabbit.
Repeat it. Radio and rabbit. Your turn.
Radio and rabbit.
One more time.
Radio and rabbit.
Radio and rabbit. Your turn.
Radio and rabbit.
Again, please.
Radio and rabbit.
Radio and rabbit. Your turn.
Radio and rabbit.
Good job. And move to our sounds. Listen carefully.
R sounds
Repeat after me. R sounds Your turn.
R sound r.
Well done. Alright, now we move to the next letter. This one is letter S. And listen carefully again.
and star.
Repeat after me. Strawberry and star. U-turn.
Strawberry and star.
One more time.
Strawberry and star.
Strawberry and star. U-turn.
Strawberry and star.
Again, please.
Strawberry and star.
Strawberry and star. U-turn.
Strawberry and star.
Good job. And now we move to S sounds.
S sounds.
Repeat after me. S sounds. U-turn.
S sounds.
Excellent, student. Alright, now let's sing along together with the whole song of letter Q, R, and S.
Queen and question. Queen and question. Queen and question. Two sounds. Radio and rabbit. Radio and rabbit. Radio and rabbit. R sounds. Strawberry and star. Strawberry and star. Strawberry and star. S sounds.
Alright, and end up of our chant. Don't forget to practice how to pronounce the sounds of each letter with our chant, student. And now let's move to the next part. This part we are going to have fun together with part of Fun Box. Do you love to play the game?
Yes.
Excellent. Now let's move to Fun Box.
Fun box.
And this game we call survival game.
Survival game.
Click the correct picture to match the word.
Bitter.
Alright, student, and this game, this part is represent you. It means you. You have to choose the correct pictures over there. Two of them. But you have to choose just only one picture that you think this one is the correct. Alright. And now we begin with this one. Repeat after me. Bitter. U-turn.
Bitter.
Good job. So student, now back to you. Let's find out the correct picture that match to this word bitter. Ice cream? Is this bitter?
No.
Oh, and what about this one? Is this candy? Oh no, it's medicine. Student, medicine. Is this bitter?
Yes.
And which one that we are going to choose is would be medicine or ice cream? What do you think?
Medicine.
Medicine. Alright, now let's choose with medicine.
Good job.
Good job.
Medicine. Bitter.
Medicine is bitter.
Salty.
Alright, now we move to the next part. And this test is repeat after me. Salty. U-turn.
Salty.
Alright, and back to you again, student. You have to choose the correct picture that match to this test. Salty. Lemon. Is it salty?
No, teacher. I don't think so.
Oh, you don't think so. And what about salt? Salt. Is it salty?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Alright, now let's find out together which should with this picture. Salt.
That's it.
That's it.
Salt. Salty.
Salt is salty. The next
Sweet.
one. Sweet. Alright, now let's repeat this word after me. Sweet. U-turn.
Sweet.
Excellent, student. And back to you again. You have to choose the correct picture that match to which this word sweet. Which one is sweet? Medicine? Is it sweet?
No.
Oh no. And what about this one? Ice cream. Ice cream, is it sweet?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Alright, now let's find out together by choose this picture of ice cream.
Ice cream. Sweet.
Ice cream is sweet.
Sour.
And now we move to the next one. This word is, repeat after me, sour. Your turn.
Sour.
Good job, student. Now back to you again. You have to find out the correct picture that match to this word, sour. Which one is sour? Salt? Is it sour?
No, teacher.
Oh no. And what about this one? Lemon. Is it sour?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, now let's find out together with this lemon.
That's it.
That's
Lemon.
it.
Sour.
Lemon is sour.
Vegetable.
And move to the next word. Let's repeat this word after me. Vegetable. Your turn.
Vegetable.
Excellent, student. Now let's find out the pictures of vegetable. Which one is vegetable? Banana. Is it a vegetable?
No, teacher.
Oh no, bananas is fruit, right? And what about this one? Potato. Potato. Is it vegetable?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, now let's find out together with this picture. Potato.
Good job.
Good job.
Potato. Vegetable.
Our potato is vegetable.
Fruit.
Move to the next one, student. And this word is, let's repeat this word after me. Fruit. Your turn.
Fruit.
Well done. And let's find out the correct picture that match to this word, fruit. Carrot. Carrot. Is this a fruit?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Apple. Apple. Is this a fruit?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, apple is a fruit. Now let's find out together by choose this picture of apple.
Excellent.
Apple.
Excellent.
Fruit.
Apple is the fruit.
Excellent.
Excellent, student. Alright, end up of this game survival. Alright, move to the next part, student. This part we are going to do our exercise together with part of student book. Alright, student. Today don't forget to bring your student book beside you. This one is your student book. Don't forget to bring it beside you. And after that, you have to open your student book on page 15. Oh, sorry, on page 18 and 19. Page 18 and 19 is look like this. Alright, we are going to do our exercise together.
Student book.
How does it taste?
Fold along the lines and trace the words.
Alright, student, let's begin with part of page 18. In this part, we are going to trace the words over there. And then you have to fold along the line on your paper. Now you have to on your work. Oh, sorry, on your student book you will see the red line like this, student. This part is the red line. After we trace the words already, we are going to fold along the line with this red line. Alright. Now don't forget to find out your pencil. Maybe you can use some colors or crayons. Alright, student. Let's begin with our first word. Look at this one.
Salty.
Repeat this word after me.
Salty.
Salty. Your turn.
Salty.
Excellent. And student, guess what? What is this?
Salt.
It's salt, and so it's salty. Good job. And then we are going to trace the words over there. Let's find out your pencil, and then let's trace this word together. Salty is begin with letter S. Write down letter S like this. So keep following. It's begin with letter H. After that is coming up next with letter
A.
A. Good job. job. Now let's trace this word of letter A. Write down letter A. Alright, have you finished?
Yes.
Oh, good job. Move to the next letter. And coming up next with this letter. What is this letter?
L.
It's letter L. Now write down letter L. Alright, and move to the next letter, student. Coming up next with letter
T.
T. Good job. Write down letter T. And the last letter of the last letter of this word salty is letter Y. Now let's trace this letter Y. Like this. Alright, have you finished with this word salty?
Yes.
Good job. And let's read it again one more time. Repeat after me. Salty. U-turn.
Salty.
Excellent, student.
Salty.
Alright, now let's move to the next word. And this word is...
Sour.
Alright, let's repeat this word after me again.
Sour.
Sour. U-turn.
Sour.
Good job. Sour. And student, look at this picture. What is this?
Lemon.
It's lemon. Good job. And lemon is sour. Now let's trace this word sour. Sour is begin with letter
S.
S. Write down letter S. And then coming up next with letter
O.
O. Write down letter O. Alright. And the next letter of sour is letter
U.
U. Write down letter U. Like this. Alright. Have you finished?
Yes.
Good job. Now we move to the last letter of this word sour. And this letter is letter
R.
R. Excellent. Write down letter R. Alright, now we have sour. And then let's read this word. Repeat after me. Sour. U-turn.
Sour.
Well done. Alright, now let's move to the next word. Look at this one.
Bitter.
And let's repeat this word.
Bitter.
Bitter. U-turn.
Bitter.
Well done, student. And guess what? Look at this picture. What is this? Is this candy?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. What is this, student? Guess what?
Medicines.
Medicine. Excellent. And our word is bitter. Then we are going to try this word bitter. Let's write down this word together. Bitter is begin with letter
B.
B. Write down letter B. And coming up next with letter
I.
Write down letter I. And then the next letter is letter
T.
T. Write down letter T. And then the next one.
Letter T again.
Our letter T again. Now let's write down one more T. This one. And coming up next with letter
E.
E. Good job. Let's trace this word E. And then the last letter of this word is letter
R.
Letter R. Write down letter R. Like this. And then have you finished with this word bitter?
Yes.
Let's repeat this word after me one more time. Bitter. U-turn.
Bitter.
Excellent. Alright, student, now we move to the last words of page 18. And this
Sweet.
word is, let's listen it again.
Sweet.
Repeat after me. Sweet. U-turn.
Sweet.
Well done, sweet. And student, look at this picture. What is this? Guess what?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Good job. Do you like it?
Yes.
Alright, and now let's try this word sweet. Sweet is begin with letter
S.
S. Write down letter S like this. And then coming up next with letter
W.
Write down letter W. And then the next letter is letter
E.
E. And coming up next with letter
E.
E again. Write down letter E. And the last letter of sweet is letter
T.
T. Good job. Write down letter T. Now we have sweet. And then let's read it. Repeat after me. Sweet. You turn.
Sweet.
Alright, student. Now we have done already with part of page 18. Let's move to page 19, student.
Tongue and tastes.
Trace the words and put on the right stickers. The tongue can taste bitter, sour, salty, and sweet.
Alright, student. This part of tongue and taste, we are going to trace the words over there. And then we are going to put on the right sticker. Let's begin with the first one. And look at this picture, student. What is this?
Tongue.
It's tongue. Good job. This one is part of our tongue. And this word bitter is point to this part of our tongue. And this part we call the root of tongue. The root of tongue is can taste bitter. Alright, student. Let's try this word bitter. Bitter is begin with letter
B.
B. So write down letter B. And then coming up next with letter
I.
I. Write down letter I. And the next letter is letter
T.
T. Good job. Write down letter T. And the next letter is T again. Write down letter T. And coming up next with letter
E.
E. Write down letter E. And the last letter of this word bitter is letter
R.
R. Write down letter R. Alright, now we have bitter already. And student, back to you. We are going to find out the correct sticker and then put on the right one. Which one is bitter? Over there, student. Look at this one. Salt. Salt. Is this bitter?
No,
Oh,
teacher.
no way, it's not. And what about ice cream? Ice cream. Is this bitter?
No.
Oh no, again, it's not. And what about this one? Medicine. Medicine. Is this bitter?
Yes.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
Good job. Now let's put on the correct sticker. Medicine
Bitter.
is bitter and put on the right one. Alright, now we have the correct one. Medicine is bitter. Alright, student, move to the next part of our tongue. Look at this gray one. Can you see the gray one? And this part of the central of our tongue is can taste salty. Salty. Now let's try this word salty. Student, let's do it together. Salty is begin with letter
S.
S. Write down letter S. And coming up next with letter
A.
A. Good job. Write down letter A. And then the next letter is letter
L.
L. Write down letter L. Coming up next with letter
T.
T. Good job. And the last letter of salty. That one is letter
Y.
Y. Let's trace this word Y. Now we have salty. And back to you, student. We are going to find out the correct sticker and then put on the right one. Which one is salty? Look at this look at this student. Lemon. Is it salty?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about ice cream? Is it salty?
No way.
Oh no way. And what about salt? Salt. Is it salty?
Yes.
Yes, salt is salty. Now let's put on the right sticker.
Salty.
Salty, this one. Alright, now we have done already with part of salty. And let's move to the next one. And this, let's look at the pink one of our tongue. It's point to the pink one. This part of our side of our tongue, left side and right side, it can taste sour. Sour. Alright, student. Now let's trace this word sour. Sour. It begins with letter
S.
S. Write down letter S. And then coming up next with letter
O.
O. Write down letter O. And then the next letter is letter U.
U.
Write down letter U. And the last letter of sour is letter
R.
Write down letter R. Like this. Now we have sour. And then back to you again, student. Let's find out the correct sticker and then put on the right one. Which one is sour? Look at this one. Ice cream. Is it sour?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about lemon? Lemon. Is it sour?
Yes.
Good job. Lemon is sour. Now let's put on
Sour.
the correct sticker. Lemon is sour. Alright, now we move to the last part. And this one, look at the orange one. This part of our tongue we call tip of tongue, and it can taste sweet. Sweet. Student, now let's trace this word sweet. Let's do it together. Sweet is begin with letter
S.
S. Write down letter S. And then coming up next with letter
W.
W. Write down W. And then the next letter is letter
E.
Write down letter E. And the next one is letter
E.
again. Alright, move to the last letter of this word sweet. And this letter is letter
T.
T. Write down letter T. Alright, now we have sweet. And student, now we have only one sticker left. And the sticker is ice cream. Ice cream, is it sweet?
Yes.
Yes, ice cream is sweet. And then
Sweet.
put on the right sticker over there.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Alright, now is end up of this part. Let's read the sentence after me. Alright, let's begin with this one. Repeat after me. Medicine is bitter. You turn.
Medicine is bitter.
And then the next one. Salt is salty. You turn.
Salt is salty.
Alright, and move to the next one. Lemon is sour. You turn.
Lemon is sour.
And the last one. Ice cream is sweet. You turn.
Ice cream is sweet.
Excellent, student. Have you finished with this part of page 19?
Yes.
Well done. Alright, student, we move to the next part. We are going to practice how to sing and dance with our song. Can you remember how to sing and dance with our song?
Yes.
Good job.
Warm up.
Alright, let's stand up, student. Let's sing and dance together. Let's begin with the first one. What do you have?
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Apples, apples. Oh, I have some apples.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Oranges, oranges. Oh, I have some oranges.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have? Bananas, bananas. Oh, I have some bananas. I'm hungry, so hungry. Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Let's have a fruit party.
Wow.
Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes.
Grapes.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Good on you, students. You are good dancers. Don't forget to practice how to sing and dance with the song Yummy Yum Yum and the song What Do You Have? Alright, for today is thumbs up and then we have to say goodbye. Now let's sing and dance with our last song that we call goodbye song.